Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. Today we've got a new pair of earphones to review on my desk. These are the brand new triple driver earphones by boAt. The model is Nirvanaa Tres. They are premium quality earphones. You can see a picture of that here. Quite a nice design. They come in black and red color. Let's see what else is written on the box. You've got the boAt branding. Oh guys, you can actually see the earphones through the box here. The Nirvanaa Tres has two 6mm dynamic drivers and one balanced armature driver. So we've got a total of 3 drivers on them. With all these drivers in play, you'll get superior quality sound through them. I can't wait to test them out. These earphones also have a mic on them. The price on the box says 3,990, but they're available for only 2,970 rupees online. Okay guys, so that was about the box. Let's get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and cut this out of packing. I want to thank boAt for sending me this product for review purpose. Alright, let's open the box and take them out. So the boAt Nirvanaa Tres comes in this sort of box packing. You've got the earphones at the top and one more box at the bottom. There's some story written on it about the earphones. We'll read that later. Let's first see what's in this box. Oh, you've got a carry case here. You've got the boAt branding on it. Looks of very good quality. Let's take the earphones out. The earphones come in this box. The packing looks quite nice. So here are the boAt Nirvanaa Tres. They come in black and red color. I really like the color combination. They feel very light in the hand. Okay, we'll just put them aside and see what else do we get in the box. You get a warranty card and lots of ear tips. They come in all sizes, small, medium and large. So these were all the items we got in the box. Now let's check out the triple driver earphones. The Nirvanaa Tres have a nice looking red and black design. They have a 1.2 meter cable length that's neatly organized with a magic tape. Let's unwrap them, have a closer look and talk about the design and the build quality. The Nirvanaa Tres triple driver earphones have a unique design. They have 2 metal grills at the back that gives it a very funky look, and the rest of the body is completely made of plastic and has a shiny gloss finish on top of that. The ear tips are also of good quality. They're made of silicone and feel soft and comfortable. You've got the left and right indications on it as well. These earphones come with a 1.2 meter cable and the quality is very nice. It feels tough and durable. Let me show you the inline remote control. The inline remote control is also made of plastic and has 3 buttons on it: volume up, media play pause and volume down buttons. The buttons are of good quality. They feel tactile and clicky. And on the other side you've got the boAt branding and a microphone beside that. The inline remote runs down to this connecting point, and this is its angular 3.5mm gold plated jack. Now let's talk about the comfort and the audio quality. The boAt Nirvanaa Tres are very comfortable to wear for long time usage. They're lightweight and fit perfectly in my ears, and the noise isolation is also good on them. Talking about the audio quality is very nice. The mids are crisp and clear, the vocals sound warm and mellow, the high frequency response is also good, and the treble feels silky smooth. Coming to the bass was awesome. It had the rich and punchy bass thanks to those dual dynamic drivers, and the distortion was also very less even at max volume. The overall audio quality felt balanced and are really good for long time listening. The quality of the mic was also good during call conversations. So that was my review on the boAt Nirvanaa Tres triple driver earphones. They're good earphones, have very nice sound quality. You'll definitely be satisfied with the performance, but my only complaint is with the build quality. The build quality is not that premium. It looks all plasticky. They're expensive earphones and for the price they should have gone with a metal body. Apart from that, they're awesome in terms of audio quality. They're priced for about 2,980 rupees. I'll just leave a link to them in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that was it for today. Hope you all liked this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.